Today we're going to look at the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem was developed by a mathematician called Pythagoras. And the theorem applies to a right triangle. You say right triangle because one of the angles measures 90 degrees. Across from the 90 degrees we call it the hypotenuse, which is denoted by C. Then we have the other two sides, which we call the legs. One of them is denoted by A and the other B. Now Pythagoras said if we take the square of the hypotenuse of the right triangle, it is equal to the sum of the square of the other two legs. This brings us to the formula c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Now this formula, the Pythagorean theorem, has two converses. Now if we look at the formula above, c squared equals a squared plus b squared, if we want to solve for a squared, we would move b squared to the other side by subtracting b squared from both sides. So this will bring us to a squared is equal to c squared minus b squared. And the same applies if we would want to solve for b. So we would get b squared is equal to c squared minus a squared. The converses are used to find the legs of the right triangle. Now we're going to look at two examples.